Okay, now this is Alvin Maine.
Yes.
And Andrew Godfrey, me here. And what we're doing is we're attempting the absolutely impossible. We're taking this Pentium 3 motherboard that came out of this puny, ancient E-Machines case. You can hardly see the thing. I mean, this thing was... Anyway. And we're going to put in a Pentium 4 motherboard. And the problem we faced was that this board had two brass screws, which we had to actually... We tried to grind them off first. You can see one right there. And I broke two of Alvin's... How many did we break, Alvin?
2 or 3.
We broke 2 or 3 of them. And then finally, who came up with the idea of the drill?
You.
Aha! Okay, see? I'm not,
And a hacksaw.
I'm not as stupid as I look.
And a hacksaw.
And a hacksaw. But finally, the drill thing worked, and we got those metal things out. Now, where'd they fall?
On the floor.
Yeah, okay. So these things were on the main board, and we couldn't, they were hitting the new motherboard because it wasn't the same as the Pentium 3. The Pentium 4 didn't need these. And they were made so that these here two Pentium 3 boards would fit in snugly. So anyway, so there's our case, which is our Pentium 3 case, and there's the E-Machine cover. At one time a good machine, of course now almost baloney. We got the top off this thing, it's just a skeleton. And now we're going to clean it out with a damp cloth to make sure there's no particles in there, because any particles of metal, of course, from our drilling would be possible death for our main board. So that's what we're going to do now. And Jake is over there watching us. How you doing, Jake? Oh. Are we doing a good job? Huh? Okay. So anyway, Jake's in on the deal too. We're starting to make some progress. And I'm going to add another installment when we finish, when we put the main board in. And I'll show you the main board. And then we'll put the third part in, where we have the operating system in and an 80 gig hard drive. And it's not going to be super powerful, but it's going to be a lot better than a Pentium 3. Right, Alvin?
Oh, yes, wonderful.
Okay, and so say hello to all the fans out there on the internet.
Yes.
And our retro job's going to work, so give it the thumbs up.
Aye, aye.
Okay, there we are.